Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now take your science workbook, your classwork note and pencil, eraser. Have you take children? Science workbook, okay? Today we are going to correct the previous class homework and study the classwork question answers. Have you take? Take soon. Have you take children? Page number 14. Turn your page. Page number 14. Have you take? Horse question. Previous class homework. We are going to check. Monica crossed out the mushroom from the group below because she felt that it did not belong there. Mushroom, cactus, mimosa, coconut tree. But Monica cut the mushroom. For what? The mushroom is not a plant. Mushroom வந்து ஒரு செடி கிடையாது. So she cut that. Okay. Tick the statement which support Monica's conclusion. Monica எதற்காக அதை கட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கிறத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Okay. The first one, the mushroom is a plant while the rest are not. Mushroom வந்து ஒரு plant. மற்ற அதில் மேலே கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்க எதுவுமே plant இல்லைன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Is it true? No, mushroom only, not plant. Yes or no children? Yes, that is not a plant. So it's wrong. Okay, no need to tick. Those who correct, those who didn't give tick. Very good children. Second one, the mushroom is an animal while the rest are not. Mushroom வந்து ஒரு animal, மற்றதெல்லாம் animal இல்லைன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Mushroom is an animal? No, it's not an animal. Yes or no children? This is, they said that the mushroom is an animal. No, don't tick. Third one, the mushroom feeds on decaying things while the rest do not. Mushroom தான் என்னது, அது அது டிகேயிங் மட்டர்லேருந்து என்ன செஞ்சுக்கிடும், சாப்பாடு எடுக்குது, மற்றதெல்லாம் எடுக்கிறதில்ல. இஸ் இட் ட்ரூ? எஸ், இட் இஸ் ட்ரூ. எஸ் ஆர் நோ சில்ட்ரன்? இந்த மஷ்ரூம் என்ன செய்யும், அழுகின பொருட்கள்லேருந்து தன்னோட ஃபுட்டை எடுத்துக்கிடும். ஆனால் அதர் cactus, mimosa, coconut, all the plants did not take the food from decaying matter because they can make their own food. Yes or no children? So this is correct. You want to give tick. Those who correct, lift your hands. Very good. Those who wrong, listen nicely. Whenever I take the class, you want to listen nicely, then only you can give the correct answer. The last one, the mushroom cannot make its own food while the rest can. Mushroom ஆல food make பண்ண முடியாது, ஆனா other all plants can make. Is it true? Yes, mushroom ஆல மட்டும்தான் என்ன செய்யாது, food make பண்ண முடியாது. other all they can make their own food. This last, third and fourth are correct. Now look at the screen, you can understand the correct answers. Okay, down you have that the given diagrams shows a picture of a forest. Children, did you finish this skill based question? Yes or no? Beside you have na, did you color it? Okay, very good children. Did you color it children? Page number 15. Have you finished? Yes. Did you give the perfect color for the color the animal or plant? In red, those who are decrease. Yes or no children? And blue color for increase the population. Yes or no? And also the second question in the page number 15. Yeah, decrease in which population will affect all animals? Color it is with orange. Did you finish these all? Yes or no, children? Yes. Now, I hope you have send your homework. I will check your homework. Okay, children? Now take page number 11. Now we are going to read that question answer. Page number 11. Children, now turn the page number 11 in the same book, the workbook, page number 11. We are going to read the question answer. Have you take page number 11? Question and answer. Have you take, children? Keep your finger and say louder. How do animals reproduce? How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in two ways. By give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Animals reproduce in two ways. By give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Second one, keep your finger and say louder, children. What are the things for which plants depend on animals? What are the things for which plants depend on animal? Plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. Plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. Children, the first question, how do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in two ways, by give birth to young ones and by laying eggs. Okay, second question, what are the things for which plants depend on animal? Plants எதுக்கெல்லாம் animals depend பண்ணி இருக்குது? The plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. அதோட சீட்ஸை வந்து எல்லா இடங்களுக்கும் பரப்புறதுக்காக அனிமல்ஸ் பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்னது plants depend பண்ணி இருக்குது. Understand, children? Now next page. Page number 12. Page number 12. All of you turn next page. Number 3. Question number 3. Why do animals, keep your finger and say louder, children. Why do animals move place to place? Why do animals move place to place? To search for food, reach their breeding area, and escape from their enemies. To search for food, reach their breeding area, and escape from their enemies. Fourth question, how was the balance maintained in nature? Once again, how was the balance maintained in nature? Animal and plants depend of each other and maintain the balance of nature. Animals and plants depend of each other and maintain the balance of nature. Children, number third question. Why do animals move place to place to search for food, reach their breeding area and escape from their enemies? Food search panna and breeding place ku poradhukku and another also escape from their enemies. Okay. The fourth question. How was the balance maintained in nature? Nature oda balance eppadi maintain aguduna? Animals and plants depend of each other. Animals plants ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்கிறனால அதை அண்ட் மெயின்டைன் த பேலன்ஸ் ஆஃப் நேச்சர். அதனால என்ன ஆகுது? நேச்சர் தன்னோட பேலன்ஸை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிடுது. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சில்ட்ரன்? திஸ் பேஜ் நம்பர் 11 and 12. This question also very important. Okay, you want to study all the question, these 4 question, and in your classwork page you want to you have there some question, 5 question, no? That also very important. You want to study all the question answer. Okay children? Okay, now take your classwork note, all of you. Now take your classwork note, open the page, answer the following in the lesson 2. Lesson number 2, answer the following. Now we are going to study that previous class we finished. We studied the meanings. Today we are going to study and write the answer the following. Have you opened children classwork note lesson 2? Answer the following. Keep your finger, say louder. Answer the following. Keep your finger and say louder. Answer the following. First question. Write 4 different ways by which animal breathe. Once again, write 4 different ways by which animals breathe. First one, zebra breathe through the lungs. Fish breathe through the gills. Earthworm breathe through the skin. Cockroach breathe through the spiracles. Once again, write 4 different ways by which animals breathe. Zebra breathe through the lungs. Fish breathe through the gills. Earthworm breathe through the skin. Cockroach breathe through the spiracles. Okay. Second question. What are the 2 ways by which animals reproduce? What are the, children say louder. Now we are going to study that. What are the 2 ways by which animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in 2 ways. By giving birth to young ones or by laying eggs. All of you say louder. Animals reproduce in 2 ways. By give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Finished? Third question. With the help of a labeled diagram, explain the food making process in green plants. Once again, with the help of a labeled diagram, explain the food making process in green plant. Carbon dioxide plus water plus chlorophyll by sunlight is equal to food plus oxygen. Once again, carbon dioxide plus water plus chlorophyll by sunlight is equal to food plus oxygen. Understand, children? Easy, very easy question. Yes sir. No, the first question, write 4 different ways by which animal breathe. Animals 4 வகையில எந்த 4 வகைகள்ல சுவாசிக்குதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The zebra breathe through the lungs. Zebra மாதிரி அனிமல்ஸ்லாம் என்ன செய்றாங்க? lungs மூலமா சுவாசிக்குது. Second one, fish breathe through the gills. Fish எல்லாம் என்ன செய்யுது? gills மூலமா சுவாசிக்குது. And third one, earthworm breathe through the skin. Earthworm, do you know? We know that manbulu earthworm breathe through the skin. And last one, cockroach. Cockroach breathe through the spiracles. Second one, what are the 2 ways by which animals reproduce? Animals ஆல reproduce பண்ணக்கூடிய 2 way கேக்குறாங்க. Animals reproduce in 2 ways: by give birth to young one and lay eggs. Okay children, animal reproduce in 2 ways: by giving birth to young one, குட்டியை ஈனி அது காப்பாற்றுது. Another one, by laying eggs, முட்டையிட்டு குஞ்சு பொரிக்கிறது. The third one, with the help of a labeled diagram, explain the food making process in green plants. With the help of the label diagram மூலமா நம்ம explain பண்ண போறோம் food making process in green plant. பச்சை நிறத்துல உள்ள பிளான்ட்ஸ்ல ஒரு டயக்ராமா நம்ம லேபிள் பண்ணி என்ன செய்ய போறோம், எப்படிலாம் அது ஃபுட் மேக் பண்ண போகுதுன்னு நம்ம அதை ஒரு டயக்ராமா காமிக்க போறோம், எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண போறோம். The first one, carbon dioxide. The plants need carbon dioxide plus water plus chlorophyll by sunlight. They have 4 and they can make food plus oxygen, food for them and oxygen for animals. Understand children? Carbon dioxide plus water plus chlorophyll by sunlight and they can make the food plus oxygen. Understand? Okay, now next question. Finger on the 4th question. Number 4. Why do animals move? Keep your finger and say louder. Why do animals move? Give reason. Animals எதற்காகலாம் மூவ் பண்ணுதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, animals move for search food, to escape from harsh weather, to reach their breeding place and escape from their enemies. Children, animals move for search food search பண்ணுது, then to escape from the harsh weather and to reach their breeding place and escape from their enemies. Once again, keep your finger, say louder. Why do animals move? Give reason. Animals move for search food, to escape from harsh weather, to reach their breeding place, and escape from their enemies. Fifth question, how do animals and plants maintain the balance of the nature? Once again, how do animals and plants maintain the balance of the nature? Animals and plants help to balance the nature and preserve the environment through photosynthesis by plants and respiration by animals. Children, in this question, how do animals and plants maintain the balance of nature? எப்படி ஒண்ணுக்கு ஒண்ணு பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறது நேச்சர்னு கேட்காங்க. Animals and plants help to balance the nature and preserve the environment. ஒண்ணுக்கு ஒண்ணு பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணி என்ன செய்கிறாங்க? Preserve the environment through the photosynthesis by plants and respiration by animals. Understand, children? You want to study this? 5 question answer today. Study and write. Okay? Study and write one time. Okay, in the rough note. Don't forget. Understand, children?